Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the sleek and efficient Apple Magic Keyboard, a wireless and rechargeable marvel that seamlessly connects to your Mac, iPad, or iPhone via Bluetooth, offering you the freedom from loose batteries and the hassle of constant replacements. This keyboard is designed to pair quickly with your device, allowing you to jump straight into your work or creative projects with ease. Experience an enhanced typing experience with its remarkably comfortable and precise keys, making every keystroke a pleasure. One of its standout features is the incredibly long-lasting internal battery, which can power your keyboard for about a month or more between charges, depending on usage. Included with the Magic Keyboard is a woven USB-C to Lightning cable, perfect for pairing and charging by connecting to a USB-C port on your Mac or iPad. To ensure compatibility, you'll need a Mac with macOS 11.3 or later, an iPad with iPadOS 14.5 or later, or an iPhone or iPod Touch with iOS 14.5 or later. So, if you're looking for a keyboard that combines style, functionality, and convenience, the Apple Magic Keyboard is an excellent choice for any Apple enthusiast. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.